Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna be talking to you on how you can get started making money online even if you don't have a job. Now here's my inside Warrior Plus account of how I made $200 in a day using the exact method and strategy that I'm gonna be showing you in this video. So the method that we're gonna be talking about is a method that you can use to make approximately somewhere $100 to $200 a day, depending on how much work you actually put into implementing this strategy. Now, what are we going to be talking about here? We're going to be talking about affiliate marketing with LaunchChecking. So what is LaunchChecking? Well, LaunchChecking is where you go to products or software programs that are about to launch, basically. So for example, we're going to be talking about Muncheye, where almost every day is a new listing of a product that's going to be launching. This is a digital product that you can promote and get an affiliate commission for promoting that product or software once somebody purchases using your affiliate link. So how does this work? Well, basically how this works is step one is you have to sign up to any of these three platforms. So you've got these affiliate platforms that you can use to get your affiliate links where these products are actually going to be launching on. So you've got one, JVZoo, the second one is Warrior Plus, the third one is ClickBank. There are as well as other platforms such as you can see here, we've got Infusionsoft and also Pay Kickstarter. But the basic recommendations that I basically use are Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and as well as ClickBank. So you need to open accounts in these three platforms. So how do you go about it? So step one, like I've said here, is you have to sign up to these affiliate sites where these products are launching. So let's take for example, you've got this section of big launches. These are massive launches that have got a lot of traction to them even if they've not launched. So these are really big launches. So you can come over here and select one of these launches. But most of the time, to get good returns, you want to get some products that are ranging from somewhere maybe $47 to somewhere $97 or even more, so that you can get a really good amount of commissions. Like you can see, this is a $27 product where you get 100% commission. So for every sale that you get paid $27. And here you've got a $197 product that you get 50% commission for. That's more than $50 for every sale that you bring in. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at one example. So one example that we can go for is let's take a look at some of the products that just recently launched. So gonna go ahead and look at maybe instant Instagram clients, or one new project that's recent was Newsprofix Pro. I don't know if it's here yet. I think it's even out. It's been a few days back since it launched. So we can take an example of this product right here, Instant Money Tree. So what you want to do is you want to click on that product, then you want to go to the JV page and take a look at really what the product is about and how the commissions are. So as you can see, this is a $20 product. You get 50% commission, which is approximately $10 for every sale that you bring in. And if they upgrade and go for the one-time offer of the $97 pack, you get around $47 commission. Then there's another down sale, which is $47. So you get to earn a lot of money. So once you are here, you can go to get your affiliate link. Then it will take you to the Warrior Plus account. You need to make sure you've signed up for the Warrior Plus account. Once you're at this point, as you can see, I sent a request to promote this product. So once my affiliate link request is approved, I would be able to have an affiliate link that I can use to promote. So as you can see, commission ranges from $10 to $205 for every sale that you bring. That's an approximate if they go through all these up sales and down sales and get this product. So there's also an affiliate contest that goes on. For the most sales, you get a $1,000 reward. Second prize is $500 for being number 2. Third place is $300. So this is actually launching today on the 21st of May. So what happens if once you get approved to promote this product, what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube and make a review video, just like these guys are making these review videos. So as you can see, one of the top guys is John Armstrong, that is utilizing this method. As you can see, if we go to his YouTube channel, we'll find a lot of product reviews that is done, just as you can see. So he just recently put out the very product that we've just from talking about, which is Instagram Money Tree. So this product will get a ton of views and he'll get a ton of sales from this product. So if we go ahead and take a look at his review, as you can see, so he's doing mostly this and he's making a handsome.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Jonah here from Jonah-Armstrong.com. Welcome to my IG Money Tree review. Now, I apologize about getting this out a little bit late. I'm still over here in Canada, and we have
got his affiliate links in here. So once we click on this affiliate link, which is what you would do, you create a video and put some affiliate links in here once you've been given your affiliate link, and you just do the tags and do the correct tags as he's done. So his video is ranking top 1. Then he's got a bonus page. So you come here, once you purchase this product with him, these are the exact bonuses that you get to receive for purchasing this exact product. So that's what you want to do. You want to come over here, you want to head over to Munch Eye, you want to select the product and request for an affiliate link. WirePress is the best place to start. Once you've been given that affiliate link, then you want to go to YouTube, or if you want for a change, you can go ahead and do a blog review about this. So just like you can see, if we go to Google, once we head over to Google and type in, let's search for this specific product. So this is IG Money Tree. So we search for IG Money Tree, and somebody has already done a review about this product already. So as you can see, here's a blog review. So this is why I had to say there's 2 ways you can do this. So if you select a product, you do a product review. There's 2 ways you can go about using the free or paid, using the free method, or you can use the paid method, which is why you need a domain and hosting. Or you can do a free review using your Facebook profile, your Facebook page, or just posting some groups that are related to these products and just recommending products to them. But it's not highly recommended because you don't want to spam other people's Facebook groups, or else you get banned. So this is why I highly recommend you come up with a review site like what these guys are doing right here, or you use YouTube and make product reviews and upload them here, and that's all free. Alright guys, this is about it, and hope you can earn some pretty handsome commissions just like I did. In a month I got to earn $211 just from using the exact strategy that I showed you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.